Hi everyone, and thank you so much for watching. Today I was in the mood for something super simple but still super cute. So if you want to see how I created this look, please keep watching. I'm going to be starting with my eyes, so the first thing I'm using is this Essence I Love Stage eyeshadow base, and I'm going to be applying it all over my eyelids. I'm then just using my fingers to blend it out. And even though I always use an eyeshadow base, today especially is going to help keep the shimmery eyeshadows I'm using on my eyelids. The first one I'm using is the shimmery gold color, and I'm going to be applying it all over my eyelids. I'm going to build up the color and keep packing it on until I'm happy with the intensity of it. And then next, I'm going to go in with a color that's more tan, rust colored, it's a little bit more red, and I'm going to be applying it in my crease. I'm going to use this flat shader brush to just draw it in the area I want it to be. I'm drawing a curve around my eye, and once I'm happy with the placement of it, I'm going to go in with a bit of a fluffier brush and just blend it out. This way I have more control about how high I blend it up into my crease. And then because I want some more definition, I'm using a bit of a browner color, and I'm first packing it onto the outer V of my eye where I want the definition, and then I'm just blending it in as well. For my eyelashes, I'm simply going to use my eyelash curler to curl them. This is going to help them look longer and help my eyes look more open. And then for mascara, I'm going to use this Essence Lash Princess Mascara and work it on all over my lashes. I really want my eyelashes to pop because I won't be applying any wing liner, so I'm working it on heavily on my upper lashes and on my lower lashes to help my eyes look more round compared to longer as if I were to do eyeliner. For my lower lash line, I'm using this brown colored eyeliner from Essence as well, and I'm simply going to be coloring in the outer thirds of my waterline to again help define my eyes. For my face, I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro BB Cream in the color Fair, and I'm first going to use my fingers to dot it on all over my face, and then I'm just going to continue going with my fingers and rub it in all over my face. I'm just making sure to get it in all the spots I want covered, especially around my nose, right along my hairline, around my eyebrows, and down my neck. So after rubbing it on my face, I'm dragging my hands down my neck as well. Now I'm picking up this nude color and I'm going to be applying it underneath my eyes. I'm doing this instead of concealer to keep this lightweight, but I still want that area to be brightened. That's why I'm using a bright nude color, and I'm applying it there, making it nice and bright without anything potentially creasing. For my eyebrows, I'm just brushing it out with a spoolie, and then with an eyeliner brush, I'm picking up a mixture of this brown and black eyeshadow, and I'm using it to fill in my brows. I'm just following the natural shape of my brows and just smoothing them out a bit to make sure they look a little neater. And then if you went a little too heavy on the inner part, you can use a little bit of a nude color and just work it in on the front to help it look a bit more natural. For my lower lash line, I'm picking up that flat shader brush and whatever eyeshadow is left on it and just running it on the outer 2/3 of my lower lash line. For my lips, I'm using my Luxe Nude Temptress Lip Liner, and I'm first going to be lining my lips and especially focusing on my cupid's bow because I want my cupid's bow to stand out. And then I'm also going to be shading in my lips somewhat because I want this to be the main color on my lips. And then for a pop of lighter in the middle, I'm going to use this NYX Lace Detail Liquid Lipstick, apply it there, and then use my fingers to blend it out. Next, I'm going to be using this gold eyeshadow from my Carly Bible palette, and I'm going to be highlighting my cupid's bow to help it pop a bit more. I'm applying some on the bridge of my nose, underneath my eyebrows, and in my tear ducts as well. I love highlighters, so no matter what the look, I'll be applying it in all these areas, especially if it's glam because highlighter makes me happy. And then just to help it look a little bit more natural, especially on the bridge of my nose and my cupid's bow, I just rub over it with my fingers. And now today I wanted a bit of a metallic lip, so I picked up a bit more of that color and applied it on my lower lip to make it pop a little bit more. Then I wanted to add a little bit more color to my face, so I'm picking up that same brown eyeshadow and I'm working it in around my cheeks and underneath my jaw to help slim down my face and add a little bit more dimension.
Hello?
Hello, how are you doing?
Good, I'm good, so.
Yes, I'm good.
Yeah. Do I look adorable with the brown on my cheeks?
And then for blush, I'm using this reddish color and I'm just working it in on the apples of my cheeks. And then this is the final result. I feel it's really subtle, really nude, but still there enough to help you look a little bit more put together for the day. It actually only took me 15 minutes, so I think this is going to become one of my new "you're doing something today, so quickly throw yourself together before class" makeup routines. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye bye!